Hello, this is Darcy from Lumos Learning. Today, I'm here to show you how you can use the super helpful Lumos WordUp Google Chrome extension to help your students or children to practice vocabulary and improve their vocabulary skills significantly. Did you know research has shown that kids need to understand 98% of the words they read to understand what they read? A robust vocabulary for students improves all areas of communication: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The Lumos WordUp Google Chrome extension helps students strengthen their vocabulary by providing word lists precisely matched to their grade and reading level. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to the Chrome web store and search for Lumos WordUp. Step 2. Click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Step 3. Simply enter the student's grade, click Save, and find the first word of word list 1. Students can explore different aspects of the word with FlashCube in a fun and interactive way. It'll show up the definition, example, parts of speech, pronunciation, etc. There's a total of 50 word lists for each grade consisting of 15 words each. Now, every time the student opens a tab, they can learn a new word. What's more, they can take a practice test at the end of each word list to check their mastery of the words. Finally, clicking on the extension will enable them to view insightful progress reports. Isn't it super easy and useful? You can find the link to the Lumos WordUp extension in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Install the Lumos WordUp Google Chrome extension now and help your students become better readers and writers. Stay safe and take care.